This is a short video from Colourbyte Support on updating the Epson firmware for the SureColor P6000, 7000, 8000 and P9000 printers. Please log into the Epson Support website and in the page that opens, type in your printer model. In this case, the P6000. Select the printer from the list and in the next window, select the operating system that you are updating the firmware from. That could be for Mac, it could be for Linux, it could be for Windows 10, 11. In this case, it's Windows 10 64-bit. Select the operating system and click on Go. In the next window, scroll up to the firmware section. Open the firmware section and click on the firmware to download. And download it. Accept the terms and conditions and once the firmware is downloaded, click on open. This will unzip the file and go into the dialog box. Click on next, accept the terms and conditions again, click on next, next, and in this section you will see your printer model if it's connected. Select the printer model and then click on Start to install the firmware.